Welcome back to our health metrics tutorials. In this video we will look at the functionality of the group by drop-down. Let's get started. Here is the group by drop-down. When you click on it, you will see that you can scroll through and select any field that is available in health metrics. Notice that our current report shows all Florida hospitals. Let's say we want to find out what counties all these hospitals are located. Let's go ahead and click on Hospital County from our list of fields. Notice our report changes to show hospitals grouped by their county locations. So here we see all the hospitals located in Alachua County. Notice that you see the totals in the bottom of each group by. With health metrics, you have the ability to customize your report layout. Let's click on the green plus sign located here. This will open a dialog box. Here you can see a drop-down showing totals. Let's go ahead and click on it. Here you can see 3 options. Let's click on the column option. This will change our report to show the groupings in columns, as shown here. Now you see the county as a column in the report. Let's click on our green plus sign again, and choose to show our totals on top. Notice the report changes to show our totals on top of each grouping as opposed to on the bottom. Let's return to showing our totals on the bottom of each grouping by selecting the Totals option in our drop-down. Let's add another grouping by clicking on the green plus sign again. Notice in the dialog box, you have the option of selecting 3 fields to group on. This is by design due to the fact that your report would probably be unreadable if you had more group by options. Let's select patient gender as another group by for our report. Notice, the report has changed to reflect your option. You will have to scroll halfway through the report to show your gender group as shown here. To see the other gender total, you will have to scroll to the end of the report as shown here. Notice that this report may not be the layout that you want. We can easily reverse the groupings to show a different layout. Simply go up to the green plus icon in the group by drop-down. In the dialog box simply choose patient gender for your first grouping. Now, you can select Hospital County as our second grouping. Click the Done button. Here, our report will show gender as our first grouping and county as our second grouping. Let's go back to the green plus icon. Click on the Layout drop-down and choose Totals. Notice the layout has changed into a different layout with totals at the group breakpoints. You can see how using the Group by option may help you design the report based on how you need to see the information. You can start to experiment using all the functionality available to you. In very little time, you can create and generate the reports that can help you make invaluable decisions. As mentioned, there are several ways we can customize our reports using the functionality of drop-downs. Here you see our default report of hospitals in Florida for 2018. Let's head up to the Group by drop-down and click on. From the drop-down list of fields, we will choose Hospital County. Our report changes to show each hospital within the county they are located. If we are interested in seeing a field other than hospital, we can use the Analyze by drop-down to select it. Let's click on the Analyze by drop-down and select to view patient principal payer. Notice our report changes from hospital to principal payer for each county that is grouped by in our report. You can do this for any field available in our database. Here are some tips when using the Group by option in health metrics. Let's go up to the group by drop down and select Hospital Profit or Non-Profit selection. As you can see, your report will list all the hospitals that are profit and then list all the non-profit hospitals. This report can get very cumbersome to read and comprehend. We recommend using the filter button to make selections. If you need more info on the filter button functionality, please check out our filter button video that goes into more detail. Let's go ahead and click on the filter button. Here you see, we have access to all the fields. We want to filter off on a specific hospital county. Find the hospital county in the list and click on the magnifying glass icon. This will open a dialog box showing all Florida counties. Let's go ahead and select Brevard County. Now click the Done button. Notice your report filters out on only data from Brevard County. Notice also that Health Metrics automatically puts the county information into the filter criteria area so you can quickly see what you are viewing. You can also see how much more manageable this report becomes. Here are the investor or profit hospitals and here are the non-profit hospitals. Let's go ahead and add another group by. Simply click on the group by drop down and select patient gender. Now the report changes to reflect the two groupings. Here are the hospitals that are profit with female and male groupings and here are the non-profit hospitals with male and female groupings. You can start to see how you can use the filter and group by options to create an infinite amount of reports that can help you pinpoint strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Thank you for viewing this video. We hope it will help you expedite your learning of using health metrics. Please check out our other video tutorials for more help.